She forgot to turn on the camera.
Yeah, okay.
So we've been talking for like 5 minutes?
And then she posted a 10, and I'm just scrolling around seeing how long it's been, and then I realize
You haven't turned it on.
No.
Thanks, Haley. I'm Tori.
I'm Haley.
As you... And the jacket?
The jacket that's in the video
With the other chick? Who's not me?
With Heather, yeah, because I took that video like a month ago, but
Would you need to post online and post it to Facebook?
You're turning into Heather. That's all she was saying the entire video was, can we put this on Facebook and YouTube? Can we put this on YouTube or on Facebook? Can we put it up now? Okay, not really like that. I'm kidding. She really likes that. I was rambling like I am right now, but duct tape pen. That's a flower. But the entire video I couldn't shut up, and then I started talking about TPA on Facebook, that you need to join TPA, Team Poets of America.
Because then you get to see both our poems, but I don't post very many. She posts them for me, and I'm not telling you who I am, because that would kind of give it away.
The anonymous poets that I talked about on the last video, I kind of, well, nobody's really even seen the video yet anyway. But I was talking about the anonymous writers, and anyway, a few days later I posted on TPA that I was poet I am, and
I'm actually thinking about telling people who I am.
Which is your choice. I'm not. This is the same font in the last video, except it doesn't have the "Hello, my name is awesome"
and
sticker. It was in there.
Are they both blue?
Yes, they are. That's awesome. Was that yours, Buzzin, or mine?
No, that was yours, Buzzin.
Yes, I am checking my email on. Oh, Daddy tagged me in my backyard. Okay, that's okay.
What? I'm a zombie. You can't play me.
Nom.
You can't duct tape your mouth shut. No.
I'm not duct taping your mouth shut.
Yet.
Where's a there? Get it, that.
No, it fell out.
What?
My flower fell out.
Oh. Yeah. Ow! I just stabbed myself. I think I may be slightly ADHD. I'm really not, but I.
Knowing us,
I didn't get home till 1 o'clock in the morning last night.
I crashed at 3. Yes, that's your tape. That's cheese.
It's bright yellow, but you can't see it because of my light. You can't tell it's yellow. Okay, it is yellow though. It's bright.
This is the
yellow.
same color as the pin I have in my hair. Yes, it's a pin.
It looks
which I'm going to
white.
steal.
It's ninja like that.
Can I steal one of your flower pins?
Okay. Not with the accent again. I'm not.
Yes, we're doing the accent.
No,
we want to be British because Brits are amazing.
Like Charlie. I talked about Charlie is so.
Go in.
I talked about Charlie is so cool, like in my last video as well.
He is amazing. She just showed him to me today. And then I showed her Comic File 7.
Continue.
Who is an amazing YouTube person. Oh my god, it's not staying in my hair. And so you should check them out because they are amazing. Oh, did you know Pac-Man originally was going to be called Pugman, but because Pug is the Japanese way of saying to flap your mouth up and down, open and closed. But they were afraid that they would vandalize it and make the P and F, so it would be man. So they just flipped out the K, so it's Pac-Man.
Yeah. I'm almost done.
And hurry up. Okay. Did you know Pac-Man is
an
Omnom-Nomagon?
It's reversed. Maybe it'll be fixed in the video.
But yeah,
the way we're looking at it, it's like a mirror because it's a laptop.
But if you can't understand what it says Om Nom Nomagon. Pac-Man and Star.
He's trying to eat the star. I should have drawn that the thing, but yeah.
Ghost? Oh, you know the ghost's name? Inky, Blinky, Pinky, and Clyde.
Clyde.
Clyde. So what do you want to name your kids?
Lauren Nicole. As a girl.
If I have a boy, I'm naming it Alfred.
Poor kid.
I want my name Alfred. It's like Alfred.
If your name is Alfred, I do not mean to offend you. I want to name my daughter Lauren Nicole though because my sister, who I so adore, Grace, that was in the last
Who's
video.
not here now because she's watching something with people.
Aforesaid. Yeah. Oh wait, that was in the part we didn't record. Yeah.
So ignore that.
Yeah. But she's in there. But her middle name is Lauren and my middle name is Nicole. Don't bite me.
No.
Okay. So I forgot what I was saying. What was I saying?
I don't know. You were about to you said, "Don't bite me." Just really all random old stuff.
Our wall of stuff
Is
my door of stuff. I hope I don't get in trouble for that.
I do not.
My hair is so horrible. It's not even funny.
At least you don't have two people saying they want to cut it off and make it into a wig. Well, you were the one who said it, so that's creepy.
Yep. No. Oh, I thought you were going to poke me.
Olay.
So the reason my hair is so horrible and I have no makeup on whatsoever.
Because it's the weekend and we had a hay fight.
Yeah, which I think we took.
But we didn't record it because you forgot.
But we might have that. We did record that. Oh, we went to get hay and pumpkins, and we had to move the hay from the trunk of the car
to the top,
and it was raining hay, and then we got in a hay fight. But also, I stayed out till 1 o'clock in the morning.
I crashed at 3 cleaning, and you can see my bra strap.
My awkward face.
It's like my shirt wants to come off. Because it's like zombies. Don't poke my poop.
Zombies. So, in a zombie
apocalypse, what would you do? Post your comments.
Jesus, Dave.
Kick some major ass.